In today's fast-paced business landscape, every company faces the relentless pressure to deliver products faster and more efficiently. The traditional order fulfillment process, often bogged down by manual tasks, data silos, and communication delays, can hinder your agility and responsiveness. This can lead to missed deadlines, increased costs, and ultimately, dissatisfied customers. But what if you could transform this critical process? What if you could empower your teams, eliminate bottlenecks, and supercharge your order fulfillment speed?
That's where Automation Anywhere comes in. By seamlessly integrating our Copilot and intelligent automation, we can revolutionize the way it handles order fulfillment. So let's delve into how we can make this a reality.
Our solution starts by automatically retrieving a list of sales orders directly from SAP. The automation then acts like a super-efficient detective, meticulously combing through each order to spot any missing or incorrect information. Things like weight, quantity, or even pricing errors. If an order passes all the checks, it seamlessly moves forward. No delays or manual intervention needed. But what if a problem is detected? This is where our Copilot comes in. It instantly generates a task, flagging the specific issue and assigning it to the right team for resolution. Think of it as your digital assistant, ensuring every order gets the attention it needs, right when it needs it. The beauty of this approach is its speed and efficiency. Because the automation checks all orders simultaneously, you're not waiting for one issue to be resolved before addressing the next. This parallel processing dramatically reduces your overall resolution time, preventing bottlenecks and keeping your order fulfillment process running smoothly. By integrating Automation Anywhere's Copilot into your order fulfillment process, you can unleash a new level of speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Through this strategic partnership, the acceleration of your supply chain is not just a possibility, it's a promise. Embrace the integration of intelligent automation and propel your order-to-delivery process into a new era of excellence.